Welcome to Raghava International Statistical Institute. Today we'll see what are things we can do for testing of normal distribution in statistics. You know, if you want to check normality for your data, we can use graphical representation for testing of normality, or we can test normality distribution by mathematical method. So there are two things we can use for testing of normal distribution. One is graph, another one is mathematical method. So today we'll see which graph we can use for testing of normal distribution, and what are the statistical methods, the mathematical methods are available for testing of normal distribution. Okay, yes, so I'm going to use SPSS and Minitab for this task, because from Minitab we can use different methods, and SPSS also we can use different methods. So we'll compare both SPSS and Minitab for testing of normal distribution. So first I'm going to use SPSS. So this is the SPSS software. So here I'm going to enter patient length of stay. Now I'm going to check normal distribution for patient length of stay. You know, patient length of stay is one of the leading indicator for hospital. So we'll see how to test normality. So I'm going to enter the variable name. So first we need to click variable view. Just click variable view. Then ALOS, patient length of stay, average length of stay. Okay, yes. Now we can click data view. Now I'm going to enter the data, the actual data from each department. I'm going to enter the average length of stay from each department. So for example, this is from ortho, 11 days. The next one is from cardiology, 6 days. The next one is from OBG, for example, 6 days. The next one is from ophthalmology, just 2 days. The next one is from urology, for example, 11 days. The next one is from neurology, for example, 18 days. Similarly, for the next department, for example, 10 days. The next one is 9 days. The next one is 21 days. The next one is 8 days. The next one is, for example, 10 days. And last one is 7 days. So this is just a hypothetical example, the average length of stay from each department. If you want to calculate an average length of stay for a particular hospital, what we need to do, we cannot use mean without testing normal distribution. We cannot use directly mean without testing of normality. So what we need to do, first we need to collect the average length of stay from each department, then check normality. If it is follows normal distribution, then we can use mean for the whole hospital. If it is not normally distributed, we need to use median for the average length of stay of the given hospital. See, this is one of the main indicator for healthcare, but we cannot use mean without testing normality. So test your data, then choose your tool. Okay. So first we'll see how to test normal distribution by using graph. Okay. Yes. So just go to the analyze, then choose descriptive statistics, then choose PP plot. Yes. PP plot. Here we can choose a loss. So already it is, see, the distribution is normal. I'm going to check only normal. So just click OK. No need to choose any other option. Just click OK. See. So this is the graph. This is the normal PP plot of LOS, and this is the expected one. But for the interpretation, we need to focus on this normal PP plot. You know how to check whether given data is normal or abnormal by using the PP plot. So this is the straight line, diagonal line, and these are the actual data points. This is from each department. So generally, if the actual data almost all are around the straight line, if there is no significant scatter, what does it mean? The data is normal. So in this example, so if you see the dots, the actual data almost all are around the straight line. There is no significant scatter, which indicate the data is normally distributed. But one of the disadvantage of the graphical method, it doesn't give the exact idea about the normal distribution. From the graph, we can able to get only rough idea. Mostly graphical representation gives only rough idea. If you want to know the exact thing about normal distribution, we need to go for mathematical method. So mathematical, which one we can use in SPSS? Just go to analyze, then choose descriptive statistics. Here we can choose explore, then choose alas, move to the dependent list. Just transfer to dependent list. Now we can choose the plot. Yes. If we choose plot, we can able to get this pop-up window. Here we need to choose normality plot with the test. Remove all other things. Just choose normality plot with the test. Click continue, then click OK. If there are many things we can able to get from SPSS, but for us, this is more important. This is more important. Testing of normality. Test of normality. See, in SPSS we can able to see two tests, Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Shapiro-Wilk. Both are mathematical method for testing of normal distribution. But you know, as per the current research, which one is, for which one we can able to get more power? I mean, which one is a more suitable method for testing of normal distribution? If the sample size is very low, see, for us, what is the sample size? See, for us, what is the sample size? Where is the data? Yes, we'll see the data. We have only 12 sample. So if the sample size is very small, from which method we can able to detect the normality? Shapiro-Wilk. Only from Shapiro-Wilk we can able to check the normal distribution if the sample size is very small. If it is large, we can go for Kolmogorov-Smirnov. See, as per Kolmogorov-Smirnov, the p-values less than 0.05. What does that mean? Significant. Significant means the data is not normal. But as per Shapiro-Wilk, it is 0.198. So this is more than 0.05. What does it indicate? There is no significant difference, which indicate the data is normal. So both the test gives different conclusion. So what we need to do, if the sample size is very small, generally as per the research, if the sample size is less than 50, use Shapiro-Wilk. If the sample size is more than 50, if it is large, we can go for Kolmogorov now. So in this, so we have only 12 sample, so we can use Shapiro-Wilk. How much is the p-value? 0.198. This is more than 0.05, which indicate the data is normally distributed. So we can use mean. We can use, yes, if you want to calculate an average length of stay, we have 12 department, and if you want to calculate an average length of stay for this hospital, for the given hospital, we can use mean because this is normally distributed. There are two things we did in SPSS. One is the PP plot, another one is Shapiro-Wilk test. From PP plot, almost all the data around the straight line. Also from Shapiro-Wilk test, we got p-value more than 0.05. So we conclude that the data is normally distributed. So now we can use mean for the calculation of average length of stay for the given hospital. How to calculate the mean? Just go to statistics and choose descriptive statistics, then descriptive. Now we can choose ALOS. Then we can choose option. Here in this option, we can choose only mean. Just remove all other things. Just choose mean. Click continue and click OK. See the mean now? 9.9. 9.9 is the average length of stay for the given hospital. So this is what we need to do for the calculation of average length of stay for the given hospital. We cannot use simply mean for all department, because the length of stays vary from hospital department to department. So if you want to calculate average length of stay for the whole organization, first we need to check the normal distribution, then we can choose the correct method. Okay, so this is the application in SPSS for testing of normal distribution. Okay, thank you.